Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to show deleted tasks on Google TasksBoard. Now, if you want to check something out, maybe you deleted something by mistake, or you just want to double check something that you want to see from a past task, it's quite simple. Of course, you need to be signed into a specific Google account that you're using for a project that you're using TasksBoard for. And as you can see here, we have two boards here. So each board will have three dots on the upper right corner, and that's what we need to click. So we're just going to use my tasks. So if I click these three dots here on the upper right corner, this pop-up will appear, and you're going to have an option to show deleted tasks here. Now, do take note that if you don't delete any tasks or you haven't deleted any tasks yet, it's going to be grayed out like this deleted list. So because I haven't deleted any list yet, so it's grayed out. And as you can see, if I hover my mouse, it says default list can't be deleted, or there's like the mouse icon will be this, right? But if we already have tasks that we've deleted in the past, all we need to do is click on this, show deleted tasks, like so, and you're going to see all the deleted tasks that we have, well, deleted. And we can just check each and every single one of them. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.